Welcome to the Microsoft Ads Training Kit Chapter 31. Ad Extension Overview. In this video tutorial, we are going to take a look at ad extension, step by step. So let's get started. So from our Microsoft Ads dashboard, select All Campaigns and then select Campaigns. Select one campaign from the list. Here you get a list of all ad groups. Now select Ads and Extensions and go to Extensions on top. Here it says, there are no results available based on your filtered search. You can create new ad extensions from this Create Ad Extension button. Now click on View Sitelink Extensions button. Here you can see a list of all extensions. Now click on Create Ad Extension button. From here you can create your ad extension. Thank you for watching. Please proceed to Chapter 32. How to add Sitelink ad extension. Inside that video, we are going to take a look at how to add Sitelink ad extension, step by step. See you in the next tutorial.